My name is Monica Pellegrin Presens, and my background is electronic engineer and computer engineer. I have a master degree from the University of Madrid on European institutions and financing of the European NLD project. I have more than 24 years of experience as project manager. The first 10 years, my job was developed in the telecommunications sector, and the last 14 years in innovation project in the railway sector. My current position is head of R&D, Analysis and Development at ADIF, the Spanish Railway Infrastructure Manager, and I am alternate representative of ADIF on the System and Innovation Program Board of Eurorail. Within the FP3 IAM4A project, I have different roles and functions. I am part of the coordination core group. I am the ADIF representative in the steering committee and the technical management team, and also I am the FP3 IAM4A representative for the alignment with FP5 Transformer project, and finally I am the Cluster C leader and the Work Package 7 leader. Cluster C is named Rolling Stock Asset Management, Onboard and Wayside technologies, and is made up of 3 work packages: 5, 6, and 7. This cluster addresses the design, testing, and validation of intelligent rolling stock assets management solutions with both Onboard, Work Package 5 and 6, and Wayside monitoring technologies, Work Package 7. Work Package 5 is focused on data acquisition and monitoring technologies, and their results are connected with Work Package 6, that is focused on the demonstrations, asset prognosis, and feedback into operational processes. Finally, Work Package 7 is related to European railway checkpoints for mixed traffic. At cluster level, we can highlight the definition of the different use cases that can test the objective and the technologies that will be developed in the following years. Specifically for Work Package 5 and 6, there was an agreement between the industry partners and the railway operators about the data from different existing sources, like sensors, of rolling stock that we are going to use for the inspection and monitoring systems. This information will be used also for the development of algorithms for anomaly detection for subsystems like bogie or traction. And the deliverable 6.1, named User and Functional Specifications for Multipurpose Resilient Adaptive Onboard Telecom Networks, is finalized. In Work Package 7, the activity related to the description of the vision for the future European railway checkpoints from a holistic point of view, the architecture, the mapping of possible technologies for the infrastructure assets and onboard system related to checkpoints, including the evaluation of functional and operational objective finalized, and the results were included in the deliverable 7.1. Other activities aligned to FP5 Transformer project are ongoing, with the main objective to develop common use cases and to define the standard concept of European railway checkpoints. Work Package 5 and 6, the overall objective of these 2 interlinked work packages is based on rolling stock data capturing and data analytics. The data may already be available, for example, provided by train operator or as a result of a former R&D project. Or it may need to be captured with sensitive technology developed and validated in the work package. Intelligent data analytics and post-processing is in this respect the basis for anomaly detection and condition monitoring performed on the different axes. The results are to feedback into maintenance strategies such as CBM, conditions-based maintenance, and into workshop for further actions. Work Package 7 has the main objectives until the end of the project, like to design the Wayside technology according to the use cases defined, to perform the data analytics and develop predictive algorithms, to demonstrate the technologies, and to draft the first guidelines for the deployment of railway checkpoints.